Imagine waking up one day and realizing the money in your bank account isn't truly yours. A system above you can freeze your funds, reject your transactions, and even destroy your purchasing power without asking you. This isn't fiction. In 2008, the world experienced exactly this. During the global financial crisis of 2008, banks collapsed. Governments printed trillions, and people realized something terrifying. The financial system wasn't as safe as they thought. But in the middle of that chaos, something revolutionary was born. Silent, anonymous, unstoppable. In late 2008, an unknown name appeared online. Satoshi Nakamoto. No face, no identity, no trace, just an idea. I've been working on a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. That single sentence started a revolution. The paper was only 9 pages long, but it introduced something that could reshape the entire global economy. Bitcoin. Digital money without banks. A financial network without control. The brain, blockchain. At the core of Bitcoin was a new technology. Blockchain. Imagine a global ledger that exists on thousands of computers, is shared publicly, and cannot be altered. Every transaction becomes a block, and each block connects to the previous one, forming an unbreakable chain. The first block. In January 2009, the first Bitcoin block was created, the Genesis block. Hidden inside it was a message referencing bank bailouts. Bitcoin wasn't just technology, it was a protest. Mining, creating money from code. In Bitcoin, money isn't printed, it's mined, a process called mining where computers solve complex math problems. These computers receive Bitcoin as a reward. In the early days, anyone with a basic computer could mine. The reward per block, a significant 50 Bitcoins. The most expensive pizza in history. In 2010, a programmer named Laszlo Hanyecz made history. He paid 10,000 Bitcoins for 2 pizzas. At the time, about 40. Today, hundreds of millions of dollars. That moment was the first real-world use of crypto. Bitcoin's price began to explode. 2011, $1. 2013, $1,000. By 2017, it hit $20,000, and in 2021, nearly $69,000. But every rise was followed by brutal crashes. Crypto became a battlefield. Instant wealth, instant loss. The explosion after Ethereum. Everything accelerated, transforming the digital landscape. Thousands of new projects emerged. DeFi, or decentralized finance, and NFTs, enabling true digital ownership. The metaverse created immersive virtual worlds. The crypto market reached trillions of dollars. But with opportunity came risk, massive scams and devastating exchange hacks. Fake projects and market manipulation became pervasive threats, distorting true value. Some became millionaires overnight, experiencing incredible wealth accumulation. However, many others tragically lost everything they had invested in this volatile market. Governments couldn't ignore crypto anymore. Some banned it, some regulated it, some embraced it. For example, El Salvador made Bitcoin legal tender. Major companies joined the game. Tesla invested billions into Bitcoin. Even traditional banks began to adopt crypto. So the question is crypto the future of money, or the biggest financial bubble in history? One thing is clear. Blockchain is already transforming industries, finance, gaming, art, healthcare, even voting systems. Imagine this. If you had invested just $100 in Bitcoin in 2010, you would be a millionaire today. But that's not the real question. The real question is it too late? Or are we still at the beginning of the biggest financial revolution in history? Let's explore the most famous digital currencies shaping our financial future. First, Bitcoin. Launched in 2009, it's the original and most valuable, often called digital gold for long-term investment. Next, Ethereum, the second largest crypto. It powers smart contracts, NFTs, and decentralized apps, making it more than just money. Then there's Tether, a stablecoin pegged to $1. It's crucial for trading and safely moving funds in the crypto market. Binance Coin, or BNB, is used on the Binance exchange. Holding BNB can significantly reduce your trading fees. Finally, Dogecoin. What began as a joke gained massive popularity, fueled by its vibrant community and online hype. These cryptocurrencies are transforming digital assets. Stay informed and explore their potential.